I'm Jessica Kellgren-Fozard, and this is an introduction to channel memberships on YouTube. Thank you to YouTube for sponsoring this video. It's allowed me to talk about my experience with channel memberships and given me the opportunity to help you grow your footprint on this platform. In short, channel memberships are another way to make money directly from your viewers by offering great perks and building a community around your channel. If I could go back in time and tell myself 3 things to make memberships work best, it would be: number 1, prepare everything before going live with channel memberships. That's from planning your announcement and intro videos to emojis, badges, and content strategy. Plan everything. Number 2, always make sure that your perks are easily scalable, because soon you may find that you have a lot more members to deliver to than expected, and that can get overwhelming. 3, consider different price points with channel memberships levels. Let people spend as much as they feel comfortable. A lower price point may attract more members, but having a higher price point as well means you can cater to super fans who really want that 5-star experience as the perks build on each other. The highest price levels also have access to perks offered at the levels below. When you set your pricing, you can set from 1 to 5 levels of pricing. Some creators find that including multiple levels of memberships allows them to cater to a wider range of people and give an experience that suits how different subscribers want to be engaged with. Whilst the lowest price point is likely to drive the most members, higher price points may boost revenue. Don't be afraid to offer higher priced membership levels. If you consistently deliver a great memberships experience, you'll probably find people making their way up the price points. At first, they may have just been checking to see what you offer, but hopefully you can give them an experience that properly wins them over, whilst also giving them a glimpse of what they're missing by not being a top tier member. There really are fans out there that are willing to pay more to support their favourite channels. Your fans really want to see you succeed, and for some, a higher priced membership option is a way for them to help you. You can be really flexible about what perks you offer your members. Anything from community posts with behind the scenes pictures, merch discounts, polls for video ideas, members only chats, and even members only live streams. It helps to mix things up so there's something for everyone. Members only videos can be a lot of fun. Because members only videos don't affect the performance of your public videos, I often find that I'm braver with my members only content and create new, interesting things that I might not feel confident enough to put out on my regular channel up front. I can also be more relaxed with my production values because members generally prefer these videos to be quite lo-fi and personal. They just want a glimpse into your real life behind the scenes. I also name check specific members in these videos, and that keeps them coming back for more and really adds a tailored touch. Other ideas for perks include regular text, exclusive wallpapers, and GIFs. I think it helps to mix things up so there's something for everyone. I try and plan as much as I can a month in advance and communicate what's coming up so members can share in the excitement. If a big event is coming up, I'll share across my socials that members will be coming with me in this month's video. I try to put out some content listed under my perks each week because after all, every member pays for each month, so you want to make sure you deliver for them and they come back for more. Custom badges are customized pictures that appear next to members' names within YouTube, so they really stand out in your comment section. The badges change over time depending on how long someone's been a member for, so members who've been with you for a long time can really wear them with pride. It's a great way for members to stand out from the crowd and really feel like they're part of that exclusive, members-only community that you're building. Make sure you get your custom badges designed before you go live with memberships so people have something to aim for. I had a friend help me to create them, but if you're not artistic yourself, you could find someone using a service like Fiverr and have it done in a couple of days. Badges should be personal to you and your channel. The best badges are based around an in-joke on your channel or something specific about you, but don't get worried about it being too perfect. Just something that'll make you and your members smile. Mine are just a drawing of my head with ever-increasing crowns on. Members absolutely love when you reference their badges in live streams or comments and they wear them with pride. Members-only emojis are ways for members to communicate in live chat, on live streams or premieres with in-jokes and show you love in a way that's really inclusive to your channel. They're a great pull towards signing up to new memberships though, as although everyone can see them, only members can use them. You might want to get something specially designed, but using anything that references in-jokes with your audience will also work really well. Just make sure they're personal and can be easily used in conversation. Remember, this is another way for members to identify and express themselves, so have fun creating your own little members-only language this way. Your intro video is really your chance to get potential members over the line. They've already clicked join because they want to see what you're offering. So this is where you get to be your real, authentic self and explain to them why it's worth it to become a member. My intro video reflects the rest of the members-only content on my channel, and I've tried to explain as much as I can, as briefly as I can, all the benefits of membership. Use this video as a way of showing potential newcomers how this is an opportunity to truly engage with you in a new and deeper way. You're asking them to spend their money on you, so show them how much that means to you. The first big way people will see you promote your memberships is going to be your announcement video. Some people make that as a standalone piece on their channel, while others just roll it into their regular content. This is where you share the news with your fans that you're going to be offering a memberships option and start to give some headline details about what kind of perks you're going to offer, along with badges, emojis, live streams, and all the great new content you'll be making. Personally, I think it's really important to remind everyone that this does not take anything away from your regular content, which will be business as usual and still free to view. Memberships is just a little something extra that you'll be offering to those who want more content. I make sure to mention my members, who I call the Kellgren-Fozard Club, in regular videos so people know it's a feature on my channel. I thank them when they've helped me to decide on a video idea or a new piece of merch, and I always let the whole community know that it's the financial support of the club that allows me to make free content for everyone else. Putting members-only videos on your end screens and cards gives people a glimpse of what they're missing by not being members. It's just important to keep memberships part of the discussion all the time to make sure people are aware of it. The community tab is essentially the hub of your memberships. This is where you can communicate with all your fans, but now you can upload members-only posts or pictures. I find this engagement with members goes down really well, and spending a bit of time each week just keeping this area active helps your membership's retention. If it's a fun, bustling place, then people are going to want to stick around. It really pays off to prepare before you launch, because it means you'll find the transition so much easier as a creator, but also because your early members won't be paying for an offering that you've not truly thought through. The main things you want to sort out before going live are adding perks, uploading badges, producing custom emojis, making your announcement video, uploading your first members-only post on the community tab, and uploading your intro video. It's also super easy to use feedback from your members to shape your offering or to change your perks over time. Beyond that, it's really up to you how prepared you want to be regarding your content plans and engagement with members. Make sure you publish your announcement video straight away once you've gone live, and then just keep promoting your memberships and keep creating great content for your members. I found, like with regular content, my members-only content has changed and grown as I have. I've definitely become more confident, and I try new things now and again to see how members react. Because members-only videos aren't used as a signal in search and discovery, you can experiment with different content strategies. I share sneak peeks of members-only content with my wider audience, but I still reassure fans that they are not missing out on regular content. Memberships is a great way to form deeper connections with your fans and for them to support you so you can keep making great videos and building your community.